The Education Policy Review Commission was instituted by the Ministry of Education and Sports, Janet Kataha Museveni, last year in May to inquire into effectiveness and relevance of education policies to achievement of education needs of users and government. According to Brighton Barugahale, the secretary to the commission, they will, among other things, inquire into implementation of decisions contained in the Government White Paper of 1992 and the existing policies on the curriculum, teaching, assessment and placement of learners.
Because our system was not designed to respond easily to many challenges, when the COVID came, our education system came to a standstill. All the interventions we are making were meant to fill the gap, but now that we are learning how to live with COVID, we think this is the right time for us to reconsider, one, how is education going to be moving forward.
The Review Commission will also assess the education value chain from pre-primary to university and tertiary levels, as well as curriculum rollout and development. Barugahale says the country has a lot of unemployed graduates without the capacity to get employed.
We have very many graduates on the streets looking for jobs. Then there is a section of the public that says that even those graduates are not employable. Therefore, that asks very big questions about whether our education is giving the relevant skills, knowledge, and competencies that can make our graduates attractive to the employer, both local and abroad.
They seek to identify and eliminate gaps in the education system and inquire into the existing laws, exclusion of students in schools, and education policies.
We have been having this white paper since 1992. It is almost coming by April to be 30 years. So has it worked? That is one. Two, the existence of policies on curriculum, teaching, assessment, and placement of learners where available. Identify policy, program, and project gaps. We are not defending ourselves, but we are saying now the public should help us say, in this policy, there is a gap. In this policy, there is a gap. This program has this gap. Those gaps are important for us to improve our education system.
You know what SOPs are? Do you observe them?
Yes. The Commission from its inception says they have observed gaps in this sector, including parents neglecting their role in the education of their children.
We have also found out that the parents have abdicated their role in education of their children. So for them, they say their work is to take children to school, but there is what school cannot do for your child. Even including follow-up, there are people who dump children to school. And so when schools were closed, the irritation and the agitation to open schools was not about learning. It was about inconvenience. The closure of schools caused to some people. So those are some of the preliminary findings we have found out.
The Commission now seeks views and proposals from the public. They are to hold public meetings, written documents and letters to the Commission, radio and TV talk shows to receive the proposals from the public, an exercise that will go on for a month. Adams Mayambala, CTV, PM Edition.